I'm Diane from Two Girls Treasure in Florence, South Carolina. Let me talk about the tools for today. A trusty pencil, our trusty measuring tape from my favorite discount big box tool store, green painter's tape. The green frog tape, it's a low tack tape, which means it's not terribly sticky. The ruby red. This is the color of the month. Today, we are going to feature Laura Whitlow's technique on doing buffalo check. If you see right here behind me, that's my ruby red. This is a beautiful blanket chest. We're seriously going to buffalo check this morning. Before I went live, I went ahead and I took my tape measure. You're not going to be able to see these marks, but I measured off in 2-inch increments, and I marked it here, I marked it across the center, and I marked it across the end because I need to make sure my lines are straight when I lay my tape down. Now, here's the trick. I already have 2 coats of my ruby red laid down as my base. We're going to take a little bit of midnight. When you're adding black to a color to richen it, do it a little bit at a time. So I'm going to take a smaller paintbrush. This is one of my 1/2 inch. We're going to put a couple of drops in there. And now I'm not going to mix my black brush in. I'm going to lay that down just in case I need more. I'm going to take my ruby red and I'm going to scoop that midnight down into the cup. You can add until you get exactly the shade that you're looking for. And I think that's a nice, rich burgundy. And we're going to repaint over this. You ready? But I am going to peel this tape up. So while it's wet, go ahead and take your stripes off. Now, I'm going to mix up just a little bit more of my ruby and midnight blend so that I can do my stripes in the opposite direction. Right. So I need to measure this way. All right, let's do this. It's perfect. All right, run that tape down good. We don't want any more bleed through than we can help. So if you just run those edges down, you've got it now. You ready? I'm excited. This is our ruby red blended with midnight. Ooh, I'm scared and I'm excited, but here we go. Ruby red blended with midnight until we got a beautiful burgundy finish. Just do one coat in each direction, and when we get this coat dry, we're going to do a thing. Stay tuned. If you're going to use your hair dryer to dry the paint quicker, don't hold it down against the paint. Now, I have found that Rethunk Junk doesn't blister like other paints, but you don't want to take that chance. So don't hold your heat source real close to the paint. I hold it up above, and if you noticed a couple of times, I even let the hair dryer blow down through the fan so that it was blowing warm air. Okay, that's it. Are you ready? Make sure my tape's down. Here we go. Ooh-wee! We don't have to wait for this to dry, honey, to peel this tape. Just peel way. Laura Whitlow, I think we did this right. Maybe, could be, not real sure. Let's see. Whoosh. I do my own sound effects. I know you like it. Look at this.
That's cool.
Look. I'm going to spin it around. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that buffalo check. How about that? Y'all, get your ruby red. I'm going to keep working on this blanket chest. Thanks for joining us. Bye now.